What is happening to this country, I ask you? What are people going to do with so much money? Bloody corruption has reached such a stage that even lower level staff people are making crores. You know, our Hindu scriptures say that God couldn't be everywhere. That's why he made mothers. I'm telling you, those same scriptures will also say that the devil couldn't be everywhere. And so he made bloody politicians also.
Arey, leave it, Ji. Who cares?
I care, Ji.
Rehn do. Tusi parathe khao. Acha, have you looked at him recently? He's lost so much weight. I don't know what kind of work they're making him do. Is he making ads for cement or personally picking up bags of cement and selling them? Aankhein dekhiye uski. He has the same look Dhoni has before an innings defeat.
Mom, I'm right here and I can hear you. And you know what? I'm fine. I've just been really busy with work.
Work? What kind of work is this that has no timings? Routine naam ki koi cheez hai bhi ki nahi yaar?
Dad, I'm in advertising. We have irregulars, you know that. We have a big presentation coming up and they want me to spearhead it. It's a pretty big deal. I have to work extra for my own good.
If you worked half as hard with me, you would earn double that amount, na? You've been doing this advertising for 2 years, na? Bas ho gaya abhi.
It's not a hobby, Dad. It's a proper, respectable job.
Respectable.
Yeah, and it's something creative that I love to do. Wouldn't you rather that I was happy because I love my job?
Hey, don't teach me about love, okay, young man? I know a lot more about love than you. I know that love can be developed over time. See your mother and me. Also, Puttar, I know about advertising also. It's just a scam. You and your friends, you distract honest and hardworking people long enough to make money out of them. Puttar, Kartar Transport was started by your dada, my father. And he had only 15 rupees in his pocket. We lost everything in the partition. But see, he worked hard and made a success out of it. Today we have 50 trucks, 55 drivers, 62 cleaners. In a bada empire, who is it for? For you only, na? But nay. Nay, our Pummy is busy selling atta and phenyl like he's some bloody banya.
For the 100th time, I do not have any interest in your business. I appreciate what you and Ma have done for me, I really do. But you guys need to chill, yeah? And let me live my life my way.
Kya? Chill? What does that word even mean, chill? My son won't come home from work. Why? Because he's chilling with his friends. Tu hai kya? You're a bottle of beer, what chill?
What does that even mean?
Chai. Puttar, all your papa is trying to say is that you do what you're doing, na? But start helping him out also a little bit. He's not a young man anymore.
But Ma, what about what I want to do?
Beta, I understand that you have your dreams, but we also want to play with grandchildren, na?
What?
You have to get settled, beta. And this job is... Look, if you're not settled, no one will marry you. And I'll die without seeing any grandchildren. And there'd be nothing worse than that. You know Nilofer auntie on the 3rd floor? She's only 2 years older than me and she already has 3 grandchildren. Now she's standing for society elections also. She'll win. Her poster has her pota-potis on it. Cute baby pictures get a lot of votes, Putta.
Mom, what are you on about?
Theek hai. I won't talk about it. I'll stop wanting also. After all, a mother only has to make all the sacrifices, na? Acha, sun. Have you sorted out your outfit for Vijay Prachi's daughter's marriage?
I don't think I can make it.
Hurry, why?
I won't be able to make the time, Ma. Right now, I need to prioritize my work over distant family functions.
Distant. You have spent a lot of time in that house as a child, Pummy. Look, beta, they'll be really happy if you come, huh?
Mom, look. I understand the emotional connection and stuff, but I've been working my ass off for a promotion. There are like a dozen guys vying for the same post. I can't afford to slip an inch. I'm sorry.
Look at how you talk. Such big words. Theek hai, Baba, I understand. I won't force you. It's like this everywhere, no, nowadays. The families want their kids, but their kids don't want their families.
Ma,
Theek hai.
please, don't go all bagban on me now, okay?
Kya?
It's not like the family's dying to be with me. I know I'm some sort of an embarrassment to you guys, especially Dad. No matter what I do, when I'm home, I can feel his penetrating gaze.